The letter R. R stands for raccoon. The raccoon rode his boat in the rain. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's write a lowercase r. Put your pencil on the baseline and curve up to the dotted line. Then draw a slanted line down to the right, stopping just a bit below the dotted line. Then, go down to the baseline, curving up along the baseline and ending with a smile. Write the letter R in the air. Let's practice. Now let's write an uppercase R. It looks a lot like the printed uppercase R. Draw a slanted line from the top line to the baseline. Retrace your downstroke to the top of the line you just drew. Now curve up and to the right along the top line and down to the dotted line, curving to the left just below the dotted line to meet the straight line. Then curve out to the right and down to the baseline, then up to end with a smile. Write the letter R in the air. Let's practice. Both uppercase R and lowercase r connect with their smiles. Write an uppercase R and connect it to a lowercase r. Let's write the word roar with a lowercase r. Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skill!